Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, June 17th, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. What do we have here? Some data had been published, of course, overnight, like business New Zealand PMI that increased to 52.9, which is better than previous reading on 51.2, and house price index from Australia for the first quarter. The data was published as well. The key event of the overnight was the Bank of Japan interest rate decision, and that was held on the level of minus 0.10%. And as you know, that there was as well Bank of Japan monetary policy statement and press conference. More important data over the incoming hours are CPI data from the Eurozone, which is the very important data from the traders' perspective. CPI should stay at the level of 8.1%. Then we have Federal Reserve Chairperson Powell to give a speech 2:45, and at the 6 p.m. we got the Fed monetary policy report. So pretty busy end of the week, pretty busy kind of a busy end of the week of the very busy week because we got plenty of interest rate decisions, Bank of Swiss National Bank hikes, Bank of England hikes, Fed hikes. So only the Bank of Japan stayed at the same, left the interest rate at the same level. So that caused very dynamic volatility, very big moves. So let's find out first. During the technical part, let's find out what's going on the Japanese yen. Daily time frame chart of the US dollar to Japanese yen. As you can see, we made a high at the level of 135.45. So let me just copy this line and put the line here for the 135.45. So let me just be more precise, and that's 45. There you go. And this is engulfing pattern here on a daily time frame chart. We go lower towards the technical support. Now it will be just a regular support because the market keeps going up. So we got the technical support at 132 tested. The other levels are for support, of course, 131.38. And we have one more historical level of 130. The other levels for support that just been changed are 127.57 and 126.39. So this is the updated chart of the US dollar to the Japanese dollar. As you can see, recent move to the upside was made during the increased momentum. However, this is of course kind of a bearish divergence, right? Because there you go, this is the high on the momentum, this is the high on the price. So it's clear that this is the bearish divergence. That's not 3%, 377. That's not 377. Drop. So we are waiting for another drop in the US dollar to Japanese yen. Let's find out what's going on with the another pair here, euro to the Japanese yen. So the euro to the Japanese yen has made 3 waves to the upside. The last wave, wave 4, has been made, I believe, here. The top for the wave A, let me just, sorry, for the wave, of course, 1 is here. So we are far away from being invalidated, and right now we should be developing the wave 5. Wave 5 to the upside. The recent, I'm just wondering how much we retrace from the top. Let me just find out how much we retrace from the top, because it looks like almost 50%, if I'm not wrong. It should be around 50%. let's just find out. Yeah, 50%. We retraced 50%. 58 is no longer necessary. So 58 goes out, and we retraced 50%. 158.48 was the 50% retracement, and this low was made at the level of 157.80. So pretty much not that far away from 61% here. So a nice big retracement here towards the 50 and 61%, 157.11. Now we have a pin bar here and we are bouncing higher. So this is the good news. This is the very much welcome extension to the upside on the euro to the Japanese yen. Let's see whether the technical resistance at 144.23 will be hit. So that's the euro to the Japanese yen. One more market I would like to take a look at is SP 500. Why? Because we keep getting lower. We keep getting lower with our wave 5. Recently, we just made another spike to the downside, getting very close to very interesting zone here. This is the demand zone, long-term demand zone between 3,529, 3,549. So right now we are approaching this level. Maybe the wave 5 will be completed here. However, if the wave 5 is done, if the wave 5 is terminated, we still should wait for the bounce in a free waves. Please take a look at this recent drop. We are just at the level of 30 right now, so the extremely oversold market conditions are starting to hit the market participants, and it looks like we are very close to the bounce higher on the S&P 500. As I said, it might be in the form of the ABC pattern to the upside. Of course, these levels here, 3,811, 3,857, will act now as the technical resistance, nearest technical resistance for the price. What is going on oil? Crude oil daily time frame chart, as you can see, is still messing inside of this pattern here. This is the complex correction, the complex pattern on the crude oil. It went a little bit to the upside. The recent high that we have was made, local high was made around 123.67. So that's the high, and it looks like the bulls are still in charge of this market, right? Because this is just a correction. However, please be prepared for some downside here during the today's possibly trading sessions and maybe next week. However, it will be just a corrective down move. It will be just a pullback, and then the market should rally higher towards the highs of 130, which is the high of the wave 5. We are still developing the complex corrective pattern, and not much has changed here. Plenty of the false breakouts, plenty of the whipsaw trading, up and down. Not really a good trading environment currently on the crude oil. What I mean is, please take a look here. On this part of the chart, after the correction, this is very nice trading environment for someone who was long, and this is just maybe some kind of a short opportunity. However, this is a choppy range, whipsaw range, as I say, up and down. So it doesn't produce too many opportunities, easy opportunities for trading in the opposite of this period here, when we have a 5-wave impulsive pattern, of course. So choppy trading conditions, choppiness along the crude oil So we need to just pay attention to what is the crude oil doing. However, still bullish outlook for the crude oil. And last but not least, let's find out what is Bitcoin doing, of course. And the Bitcoin is, as you can see here, trending to the downside, right? So we are trying to complete the wave 5. We are trying to complete the wave 5. Recently, we are approaching the 19,000 and 20,000 first, 20,000 first, then 19,926, which is the technical support. And as you can see, we are waiting for the ABC bounce to the upside. The trading conditions are extremely oversold, below the 20 points on the RSI, so the bounce might happen anytime soon, especially when we hit one of these technical support levels. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.